For our next one, we're going to have a look at something called the replay tool. And this works when we are using our stylus or drawing on the screen. So for this one, I'm going to do it without a stylus. If you have a stylus, this will be nice and easy for you to get going. If you don't, you can still have a go. So what we're going to do is we're going to pick one of these pens here. I might pick this blue one. And then you'll have to click on this draw with mouse or touch. And then what I can do is I could either be handwriting maybe a maths problem, or I could be drawing something as well. With replay, I might want to see the order or the way in which the steps were that I drew something or the way that I solved something. So, for instance, if I do something mathematical, let's not choose blue actually. Blue is a little bit hard to see on that background. Here we go. So let's go. I've got two. Um, let's go x. Now, if you're not sure about this math, that's okay, because you can do whatever you want for this. Going to go 8. And now, so if I was solving this for mathematics, is that I could then do my steps, which is 2x equals 8 minus 2, 2x equals 6, which is x, and 6 is going to be divided by the 2 is 3. And so there are my steps. Now, you don't have to do something maths related. You could have drawn a picture as well. Totally up to you. But what we can then do is if I come back out and go to view, here we go. And I'm going to go here. I'm going to click replay. Now it's going to ask me, what do you want to replay? And so I can select the area that I want, or I can just go everything on the page. But let's just try this. So I'm going to say I want to see this replayed. And then you can see how it's going to play it in the order of which I did the steps, or maybe in which I drew something or have drawn something, sorry. So I want you to have a go at that. As I said, doesn't need to be a math problem. You could draw a really lovely photo or the steps of how to draw a Simpsons character or something. But have a go and see how you get along with replay.